Did you know that drowning is the third most leading cause of uninjured related deaths, spanning for 7% of all uninjured deaths? All we know is that seafaring is important for our world, and life is important to seafaring. So, in this video, we will show you how to conduct CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation.
Before we start, you want to follow along? All you need is a pillow to do the simulation chest compression. Now, let's begin. First step, check your surroundings. Make sure your surrounding is safe for the victim. Second, check for his response by tapping him and check for the pulse. Third step, check the airways by moving his head slowly and his chin. Then open his mouth to see there's no obstruction inside. In this scenario, there's none, so we can proceed. Okay, now give him the 2 initial rescue breaths by pinching his nose and open his mouth and start blowing. There's no response from the victim. Do the chest compression. Now, locate his underarm tip and moving this part to the middle. Use your bottom part of your palm. Place here. Cross your fingers and steady your arm. Make sure the 120 beats per minute. If there is no response from the victim, repeat all the procedures. There's a response from the victim. Move his body. Now, as you do a cardiopulmonary resuscitation.